What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money with Clickbank without a website for free. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information I'm going to share with you here in today's video. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online with affiliate marketing, of course, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below, so make sure you check that out when we have finished the video here. Alright, so what you can expect here from this video is that I'm going to show you where to find good offers that sells. I'm going to show you how to find these offers, where to promote these offers for free, how to promote them, and I'm also going to share with you a bonus strategy, so make sure you stick till the end, as I said earlier here, on how you can skyrocket your traffic there. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so first off, you need to have a Clickbank account, so I'm not going to go into details. You need to sign up there, and usually the first thing that you should do is go to the marketplace and start to find offers. But I'm going to show you another site here today. So it is actually cbengine.com, where you can actually find Clickbank products that sells exactly as it says here above. So this is super nice because here you can see, for example, the top Clickbank vendors. We can see the new products, the top Gravity. Now Gravity is Clickbank's own metrics there. It is more like a top seller, more or less actually. Let's have a look at something here above. Now I did found something interesting here before. So Cinderella solution, 1 minute wait. This was the product that I saw. This is pretty brand new actually, so it means that it doesn't have so much competition yet. So this could be a great offer. What I would do is I would double check here also on the marketplace. So I just copy and paste here, 1 minute weight loss, and look at this. Top converting weight loss offer. 1 minute of specific weight loss routines is equivalent to 45 minutes of moderate exercise at the gym. So 1 minute weight loss definitely is something that sells. I mean, it is catchy. You can lose weight in 1 minute, okay? So you can see here for serious affiliates and try to see it. So there is an affiliate page, and to get all the information we need, we can actually go ahead and have a look at it. This is a well-organized now this team has actually created tons of weight loss products that are well known, so they do know exactly how to get offers to convert here. Okay, so anything you need, actually we can use this in our promotion. Right here you can see affiliate links, email swipes, banners, landing pages about the product. So you're going to use actually a lot of this in the method that I'm going to share with you here. So what you're going to do is you need to grab this link first, so to have it to promote, and this is going to be an ugly link. What we need to do is we need to shorten it. A good tip would be to go to bit.ly, just go to bit.ly.com, you create an account. I'm not logged in here, and you can shorten your link so it looks much more nice like this here below. You can see here. So when we have done that, we save that somewhere on our desktop. Make sure you go through actually everything here so you are well educated on what you're going to promote. So basically this is how you can find the offers. As I said, a good tip is to go to CB Engine. So let's proceed now with actually on how to promote the offers here. So how do we promote the offers? Well, basically there is a Blogger blog or blogspot.com, which is owned by Google, and Google loves Google. Now you can see here I do have my blog for Easy Way Web Marketing, where I basically more or less I put actually only the videos here. But what you're going to do is you're going to write an article. And if you remember, there was actually articles here, so you can get help. You don't need to get started from scratch. Make sure you rewrite it to be a little bit unique content. So I'm going to show you an example. Here is my site, myimtips.com, and this is a video I did recently on make money from home 10 ways. So I wrote an article actually to expand on this, and you can see it is about 1,000+ words here, and I embedded my video. So if you do that, and of course if you embed a video also, you will definitely get ranked really quick. But you don't have to go the step here. Now I actually pay, this is a paid version for WordPress. You go for a free version here and you start to write and post articles. The more articles you will post, the better chance that you will get ranked. Make sure to make a variation of the articles so it's not duplicate content, because Google won't like that. But if you do start to post articles or videos, if you do that also, you will definitely get ranked really quick. And of course, the most important, you also need to have a call to action, of course, with your bit.ly link there, okay? Click here to find out more. Remember, when you're an affiliate marketer, you're not going to sell, but you're going to pre-sell. We want them to go as fast as possible to the sales page, because they have spent thousands of dollars to make a good selling website there. So make sure you get them as fast as possible to that site, because that is how you get sales also. So another way you can do this actually is go to the free wordpress.com. And you can do the exact same thing, okay? Here you can see I get a lot of activity actually here without doing anything at all, by just posting the videos. But you're going to do it the same way as I showed you earlier here on my IM tips. Write an article. If you do a video, I will come to the video section here real soon. You will embed that also, so and make sure of course you have a call to action. Alright, so another way could be actually to do a YouTube video. I'm just going to open it here for you. I open it in a new actually incognito window here, so you can see what this is all about. 1 minute weight loss review. Okay, I just typed the keyword and people are searching for these kind of keywords here. So you can see here that this is definitely doesn't have so much views yet, because it is recently published this product on Clickbank actually. So 1 minute weight loss review. Look at this. I can see straight away that this is an affiliate link. Okay, so if I open up the video here, let's see.
I figured I wasn't...
Okay, someone actually took the video here, the video sales letter. This is not a good way to do it. Avoid this so you won't have your account banned there. But here is another one. You can see here, 1 minute weight loss review, truth exposed.
1 minute weight loss review. The Truth About Exercise is a collection of the best tested, extremely effective and scientifically proven, smart exercises which will help a person to lose weight with just...
Okay, and you can see here that these are actually videos, royalty-free stock footage, and of course a voiceover on and some text. Would probably have been made in software like Content Samurai or something like that. So it is super easy to do this kind of videos. Don't let it scare you that you can't do videos. With this kind of software you don't have to be shown in the camera. Now if you do, it is of course a bonus, okay? But you can do a lot of these videos, and the more videos you create with variations here, you don't have to go for a review, best tips for 1 minute weight loss, for example, and so on. You can definitely go ahead and get some more traffic there. And when someone clicks the link here, you will actually make a commission, of course, if they purchase the product there. So you can see they have inserted a description, more or less the article probably. Here it is stuffed with some keywords, avoid this also. It is not a good idea to do it in your videos. This was a method that was probably popular a few years back. I did it also in the past, but not anymore. So you're stuffing keywords here. So YouTube won't like it, okay, and they will recognize it. Could be a reason why this user has only 70 views here. So there you have it, actually on YouTube, okay? There you have 3 methods on how you can start to promote your Clickbank offers without a website. Now, let's go and have a look at our bonus tip here. So, we had a Blogger, we had a WordPress, we had YouTube. Now what you're going to do is you're going to actually generate links to those. What you're going to do is you're going to insert here from the Blogger. You can say watch this also on WordPress. Okay, so you're linking actually to WordPress. I'm sorry for the ugly writing here, just doing it to save us some time. WordPress. And the same goes for YouTube. Okay, what you're going to do in your description, you're going to insert to watch the full article, click here, and you're going to use that link that you're using to the Blogger. And you can do the same exactly for the WordPress. And of course the WordPress article, you will link to the YouTube video. You can link here to Blogger and vice versa. What you do with this method is something called backlinking, and that is an SEO, search engine optimization strategy. So it will help you actually to rank your articles and videos much faster. So there you have your bonus strategy also, and I think I covered almost everything here, how you can get started for free. Now I would actually go a step beyond and I would create something called an opt-in page to give something away for free, and in exchange for that I get your email address, because I'm all about email marketing. I get a second, I get a third, I get a fourth chance to promote again and again, so all the traffic won't get lost here. So it's really easy to do. I mean, you can actually have something here from the article, grab it, make a free report or something like that, and give it away for free in exchange for an email address. But this is a great way to get started with. You can actually also use Pinterest, which is very popular regarding weight loss. So what you do is you backlink, of course, here to your video and also to your articles. Alright, so I think I covered everything here regarding on how to make money with Clickbank without a website for free. Now, as I said earlier here, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business with this, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it and it helps a lot. Make sure to subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you see at the end screen here. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.